Some breaking news here at the Weather Network. Maybe you saw on social media that there was an earthquake in Jamaica. This is true. We can indeed confirm a 5.4 magnitude earthquake that happened at 10:57 a.m. local time.
Mr. Tonian, I saw me see the entertainment stand go. No, sir, frighten you finna. Me just run go try make way for run go outside.
Bubbles, you not even know what happened in my room. We had earthquake shake the fan drop and it just move so. Do you have a shock? We could even run go outside.
Here they.
And even if we run go outside, we probably see all the earth open up.
Listen to me. You have to follow protocol. You know, hear them say whenever time you experience earthquake, you must stand up between the door jam or run go outside in an open space. What you watch if earth open.
I remember nothing about that. Some information, yeah? The estimated magnitude 5.2 earthquake affected countries like Jamaica, Haiti, United States minor outlying islands, and Cuba. 28 kilometers from Kingston, and happened 10:57 a.m.
I did see it come up on my phone, you know, because I have the earthquake alert something on my phone. But Tony and that are estimated because me say 5.6 and I say another one we say 6.0. So later we will get the correct information. But hold on. How you manage by the ear shot? And are you always braid the ear?
But you know, maybe it do a little bit smaller than the last time.
Or your head I get bigger.
My head big. My head not get big. Stop it.
Well, remember you're a growing child.
But my head not growing though.
Which part we forget the ear?
You don't go to look up place beside that Chinese store.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Really them number you decide to play numbers. Eh? We like a nah learn our by cash pocket. You need to start gambling through. Alright.
When does he talk to Anise? She alright?
I talk to her, you know. Just sound a little bit better.
King I suggest so we get our classes for teach. You know, for build our confidence and thing and keep our mind occupied.
I agree with you on that. Maybe that's she need. As a matter of fact, I should start this evening because we're not sure when we hear about finish, so I can't go to the teach class. So she can start this evening.
Alright then. You call her and tell her.